guys, today we vlog again because my tito, he say we vlog again.
Okay.
So let's start.
Let's start. How about you, ate? English only. Don't speak Tagalog, ah.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name?
Ayan na.
Introduce yourself, please.
R-Y.
Ano RY? Introduce yourself. Come here. Dito.
Okay.
There. Tayo. Stand up. Look. Look at me, look at me. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, please. Okay, introduce yourself. What's your name?
Ayan na.
Complete name.
R-Y.
Complete, no spelling.
Rain, go.
Complete.
Rain, Ayana.
Listen ate. How about you, ate?
Ayasha Nicole C. Silva.
Okay, how about you?
Rain, Ayana, Adatu, Kasura.
Yes, very good. That's right. Okay. Stand up.
Wait,
Stand up.
we have a game.
What game?
We have a pillow fight. We took fight to get no points.
Oh, gali. Ah. Okay. Okay, next. What's that kind of game?
If you not
Don't speak Tagalog. Points? What points?
5 points.
5 points. Until 5 points only? Yes. How about you, ate?
Look in your hand. I don't know.
Don't speak Tagalog.
I don't know.
You're so ugly. And also you.
Look your hands.
Your tooth
You
is
are bald.
your tooth is incomplete.
Brush my teeth. At least I brush my teeth.
Oh! Abir, joke lang. Ay, joke. Okay.
Just say JK. That is just kidding. You ugly mad because you're so ugly.
Uy! Alright.
Let's start.
Let's start. What game? What game again?
Go here. Pillow fight. This is your saying here, presto. And this is all my...
From now on,
Let's do it.
let's do it. Okay. Okay.
Here.
This is challenge, okay?
Go there.
This is challenge,
This is
okay?
the room.
From now on, you can explain.
What?
You can explain, please. Come here.
What?
Don't simula kayo bawal na magsalita ng Tagalog. Okay.
You
English.
are Tagalog. You say Tagalog.
Simula ngayon, bawal na magsalita ng Tagalog. English mo 'yon. Okay, 1 2 3 go.
Hey, you're go there your room.
There your room.
Go there down.
Okay.
Go there. Go. That's your
You
room.
there. You there.
Go
You there. Go there.
Go there.
Go.
I'm not there. You there. Oh, this is all the green. Now we here.
Oh.
Oh, grafting.
Okay. You first.
Grafting, boy.
What?
Go back to this is the example how to do pillow fight.
Up, don't do that. My phone is lowest.
Your phone is flying.
Ang pangit mo.